Hello everyone. Last week I was on Marketplace. I was in the market for some cinder blocks. And I was just trying to find a good deal on some. And I was told that it's a good place for used building materials. You know, people have leftover building materials and you can get it fairly cheap, you know, compared to retail. So I was able to find about 35 cinder blocks for about 10 bucks. So I saved a little money. So I figured while I'm in the area, let's see if there's any sewing machines. It's a little bit farther than I travel, since it was about an hour and a half away. It was beyond the search I normally search for sewing machines. So I was able to work out a deal with a nice lady. Purchased 5 sewing machines from her, and that gave me reason enough to go over there and see her. And on top of that, she had this one machine right here that she could not get the top off of. She wanted $100 for it, but it's like the mystery machine. So I went over there and I ended up buying the 5 machines and the mystery machine. I'm just gonna sit down here, and I thought it was gonna be an easy lock to pick. A lot of the Singer bent wood cases, you can take the right size screwdriver and within a couple minutes you're in. But this lock is different. This lock wasn't that easy to pick. The first thing I noticed, it has like a pin sticking out. It requires a key with a hole in it. Well, I happen to take all of my little screwdrivers with me and my keys, and you gotta kind of mess with it. She said what she did is she had the original key and she stuck it in a safe spot, and she forgot where that safe spot was at, which I can completely relate to. This key is not quite right. It's a little bit... Oh, I just sounded like... It's trying. Well, it's a nice case. I don't see any damage to the case. It's unusual. It's an unusual lock, one I haven't seen before, so... Come on, baby. How does that mechanism work? There it is. All right. And coming next week will be the results of... Oh, just kidding. All right, here we go. We're going to see what's under it. Oh, it looks like you have to tilt it to pull it off. It is a... Let me set this down. Look at that. Beautiful machine. Wow. Really dusty. Let me get around here. Really dusty. Doesn't have a tail. Look at this. Little damage to the hand crank. Little damage to the hand crank. Does he turn? It's really stiff. She doesn't turn. It turns and then she sticks. She turns and she sticks. Wow, very nice machines. Any treasures underneath? Sometimes you do like this here. Wow. What's under here? Anything? I don't see nothing. It looks clean under there. Is this a compartment? What does that go to? Is there... more space under there. Nope. Nope. Should definitely need to be oiled up. Well, there you have it. Beautiful $100 mystery machine is no longer a mystery. Let's get this, if I could figure out how to get this camera off the tripod here. There's a lever I'm looking for. There it is.